just want to show you how to make an easy background. It's Annelie. I'm going to use a boxed tsupoot. I'm going to use wax paper. You can see it's got a shiny side and a dull side. I'm going to use the shiny side onto my inks. I'm just going to make a very plain background. I don't want too much in it because I'm going to put the other textures on top of that. I just want to put a few colors down. I've just got yellow ochre and raw sienna, and I've got white. No, this doesn't wanna. I'll just take something else. Just give me a moment. I'm just going to take a silicone wedge and I'm just going to put this on. Just cover the board. That's all I'm going to do. Just making sure I'm covering everything. You want it quite wet. You can even just spritz a little bit of water on top of it. Then I'm going to take my side that's glossy. I'm just going to lay it down. Press it a little bit into the wet ink. I'm gonna come and check it because I don't want it to get too dry that I can't pull this off. So I'll just leave it for 10 minutes or so and then I'll come back and have a look. Okay, it's a warm day, so I decided to take it off sooner, I think. Let me just check. Yeah, I'm gonna take it off. I don't want to leave it on too long because sometimes it sticks to your board and then you can't get it off. So there you are. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, I will see you next time. I will see what I'm going to do on this as soon as it's dried, and I will see you again. Have a lovely day.